Supermac and Agent 11. Supermac and Agent 11 live in Avebury in Scotland. The city is usually a very safe place.
This city is boring. Nobody needs a superhero help. Every day is the same. I always get up early and I always sit at home. Be patient, Mac. Everyone needs a superhero. Agent 11 wants to make Supermac feels useful. She got a plan. She called her friends. Agent 27, can you help me? Sure. Is that Agent 99? Please, can you do me a favor?
Okay.
All right, that person needs a superhero help. Don't worry, I'm on my way. Oh, Mac! Supermac falls onto the ground. Agent 11 stops her friend, but no one sees.
Well done, Superman. You're amazing.
Oh, yes, thank you.
Agent 11 live in the window.
A few hours later, Supermac and Agent 11 are walking by the sea.
I feel I'm more better now. But I like to help people 2 or 3 times a day.
Look, Mac, that man needs your help. I'm nearly ready. Superman gets ready. He always puts on his jacket and his sneakers before he goes home. Superman starts to swim, but he doesn't go very far. Agent 11 takes her friend from the water and he goes up to the beach. Quick! Everyone on the beach thinks Superman is the hero. Thanks, Superman. You are the hero. Oh, thank you. And it's a great day. I need this to be like this. Yes, you're a real hero with some help from your friends.